and there's a ride here for it.
Joy and sadness? No, not joy and sadness.
Joy and jealousy. No.
You're,
Oh wait, wait, wait,
no,
wait.
you're
Mike Wazowski.
Yes, Sully. Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
So we are in Cars Land and we are getting, is it Cozy Cone? We're getting Cozy Cone for breakfast. Bacon mac and cheese is the breakfast of champions. All right, today's breakfast: mac and cheese, bacon mac and cheese, bacon mac and cheese. Come, I can get my spoon open. Yum yum. Oh, it's good. Nice and cheesy. It really is. And then this is, what is this drink? Violet? Pomegranate lemonade. Pomegranate lemonade. Ooh, you still got toothpaste in your mouth? I hope not. Oh, it's good. Nice and refreshing. Yeah. Oh, then we're gonna get on a ride. We're not gonna ride any Springs Racers.
This is just like a cutie birthday test track.
I'm so excited because I've always seen like the ads and stuff for it. And I always wanted, like, when you know when they show Disney on like Disney Channel and it be Disneyland and stuff. I can't wait to get on it.
You need to look fast. Ka-chow! Come on!
This is the race?
You want to fuck the show? Tonight you guys are ready and the clock will go.
Okay, so we just got off of Radiator Springs Racers, and it was super cute. I wasn't expecting it to be so immersive how it was, and I don't even like cars like that. And it was a really cute ride. I had fun. So now we are about to head to, did you say Monsters Inc? We're about to head to Monsters Inc. so we can take our pictures and our Mike and Sully bound, because it's getting warm, and when I get warm I sweat, and I just want a really nice picture of my outfit so then I can take off one of these shirts because it is warm out today. Alrighty, so we just got off the Monsters Inc. ride and we just took our pictures, so you'll be able to see that. Now we're heading off to Pixar Pier to do more pictures.
We're about to go get the abominable lemon parfait. That thing is so good. The texture is a little weird, but it is so good. And we're gonna give you our full honest review, just like Bree at EC Magic. Shout out to you. She's the only one to be telling the truth, girl.
Tell Kiara to get her own channel. She keeps talking about how she's gonna do it. You have no excuse now, you work here, so you about to be coming all the time. Get to vlogging. So back to what I was saying, we're heading to Pixar Pier. We're gonna take a couple more pictures, do a couple of things there, and then we're gonna head back to the room so we can change it to our Avengers outfit so we can go to Avengers campus. So lemon, Dole Whip, blue stuff. It's good.
Eat this like look at this texture is weird.
We just got off the Ferris wheel and my stomach is very queasy because before we got on that, we ate this like Dole Whip parfait. So my stomach is so full. So I'm queasy as I'm walking. But we're about to go get on Midway Mania and Incredicoaster before we head back to our room to change.
It seemed to gain intelligence.
Yeah, it was.
Okay, we just got off of Incredicoaster and it was so much fun. I didn't know that it was going to do like a loop going around upside down, but it was so cute and I loved it. I think that was my favorite one right now out of today because we did this, the Ferris wheel, Radiator Racers, yeah. So right now Incredicoaster was my favorite for today. All right, so we just got off the Goofy Sky School and baby 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. That like it was the funniest ride. It was so jerky. Goofy does not need to be a pilot, but it was super cute. Okay, so I don't know how much battery I would have by the end of the day, but yeah, so my camera cut out on me as I was vlogging. So the last thing that we did was Goofy's pilot thing or whatever, and it was really cute. I liked it. It was a little jerky, but it was funny. And then we went up to change, as you can see, because we are, look at you, she's so cute. We're about to go to Avengers campus because we got our boarding group is up for Web Slingers. So super excited about that, and I can't wait to see all of the characters.
And now our project lead, the brilliant Peter Parker.
Hey, what's up? I'm Peter Parker. And here at Web, we got access to some pretty awesome tech, like Vibranium from Wakanda, or his crazy alien juice stuff. We have Pin Particles and Star Tech.
Okay, checking in. So the last time I talked to you guys, I want to say we were in Avengers campus and we were heading to go to our boarding group for Web Slingers, and that ride was fun. It was cute. I definitely pulled a muscle. I have no hand-eye coordination, so honestly scores don't matter to me. It's the experience, and it was cute. I liked it. I love Spider-Man. And then we were able, when we came out, we saw Cap, and then Thor ended up coming up after. Thank you. Thor ended up coming up afterwards. So we were able to get pictures with both of them at the same time. He had a great interaction. It was like 2 minutes that I taped her, and she was able to get a picture so she can make it her lock screen. And now we're back at Pixar Pier to go to our reservation for Lamplight. I can definitely use a bite. I am hungry once again, so that's it. She mean looking. I don't know what's her issue. Alright, so we are at Lamplight for our reservations and we got margaritas. I got a strawberry margarita and Key supposedly, girl, your face. She's supposedly supposed to have mango and strawberry, but I think the bartender was like, yeah, no, whatever. I'm just give her what I want. And she is not taking the alcohol well. It's very strong. I like it. The last time, I want to say the last time I had a margarita, I was in Miami with my, no, that was a mojito. I don't know when the last time I had a margarita, but to me it's good. I like it blended though. It's nice. We need that food to come out though because I need something to soak it up. The bread bowl was gone. I smelled it. The bread bowl was right there. Yeah, that was hours ago, so.
These margaritas real strong. I advise y'all to eat beforehand. They still ain't brought my food. I gotta pee.
But you're doing good.
They said it's strong. But the strawberry probably kicked in. I didn't know you was stirring.
It was just sitting at the bottom.
It was definitely just sitting at the bottom. I don't know if I recommend this.
Look, if you like a margarita, like look, she don't like to taste her liquor, but if you know what to expect for a margarita, it's fine. It's literally fine. It's literally how a margarita tastes. She doesn't like the taste of it, so it's a little too much for her. But if she had some more juice, she would have been fine. But the margarita is good. Like, it tastes like a margarita. All right, our food is finally here. We got lobster nachos and potato skins. And it's needed because she is a little tipsy. We're about to devour this food. Yo, what?
My grandma's giving me meat. Now we should ask for extra sauce.
Okay, the potato skins is fine. I don't like the shape it's in.
Right?
Yeah, like when I think of a potato skin, I guess that's more of a potato wedge. The nachos are pretty good. I like the lobster. It's not like wow. But definitely for those potato skins, if you don't get the sauce, it's not much of nothing. It's very bland. It's not really like seasoned. It looks like they just put like salt and pepper on the top. So it's not much of nothing. But it's good for right now. I am satisfied. Alright, so we just finished our food, and as you can see, there are a lot of potato skins still on the plate and no nachos really left on the plate. So what that tells you is I did not like the potato skins, but I really did like the lobster nachos. I mean, the potato skin wasn't really a good potato skin. It's not what I expected, but it was nice for the experience. So now we're about to go ahead and go enjoy the rest of the party.
Oh my god, they got a deep one here.
This is something that Jared would literally invest in.
This is a great cake. And speaking of pills, Ariel created a pretzel now. I mean, a princess. I know you're a princess. Well, that's the way I remember it anyway.
Okay, so no, I am bad at this. Honestly, a lot has happened the last time that I checked in with you guys. When we were in Avengers campus, I kind of was like immersed. When we were in Avengers campus, I was just really into it, so I didn't vlog as much. But I was able to take a picture with Spider-Man. We did web slingers, which were fun. We saw Loki and Thor, and we saw Captain America, Gamora. So we saw a couple of characters. Didn't see any shows, unfortunately. And we got on Guardians of the Galaxy, which was super fun. I definitely liked that over Hollywood Tower of Terror. No offense to all you Tower of Terror fans. I just personally like Guardians more. And we got on that twice. So we just got off the Little Mermaid ride, my favorite. And now we're about to do Incredicoaster one more time. Because they just like to run, and kids. They kids. Why are you running?